Google is constantly pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Their latest innovation, Google Gemini Live, is a testament to their commitment. Imagine a world where your AI assistant could see and understand your world in real time. That's the promise of Google Gemini Live. It brings the power of live screen sharing and video camera integration to your fingertips. This isn't just about showing your AI what you're looking at. It's about creating a more interactive and helpful AI experience. Imagine getting instant answers about a landmark you're looking at or comparing products while shopping online, all with the help of your AI assistant. This is the future that Google Gemini Live is building. With Gemini Live, Google is blurring the lines between the digital and physical world. It's an exciting development that has the potential to change how we interact with technology. Google Gemini Live boasts two groundbreaking features: live screen sharing and video camera interaction. These features work in tandem to enhance your interaction with AI. Let's delve into what makes these features so remarkable. The live screen sharing feature allows Gemini to see what's on your phone screen. Need help navigating a complex website? Just share your screen with Gemini and it can guide you through the process. Imagine the possibilities for technical support or even just learning how to use a new app. The video camera integration takes interaction to a whole new level. You can now ask Gemini questions about objects in your immediate surroundings. For instance, point your camera at a landmark. And Gemini can provide historical facts and interesting trivia. This feature is also incredibly useful for shopping. Imagine comparing prices and reading reviews while browsing products in a store, all with the help of your AI assistant. Google Gemini Live's screen sharing and video camera features are currently being rolled out to Pixel 9 and Galaxy S25 users. These features are seamlessly integrated into the Gemini Live app, making them incredibly user-friendly. To activate the live video or screen share, simply tap on the corresponding icons within the Gemini Live interface. While initial availability is limited to Pixel and Galaxy devices, Google has confirmed plans to expand to other Android devices. However, access for other Android users will be tied to the paid Gemini Advanced subscription. This strategic move suggests that Google sees these advanced features as a premium offering. Early access to these features was provided to select users through a beta program. Interestingly, some users on Reddit reported having access to these features even on devices like Xiaomi phones. This indicates that Google is actively testing and refining these features across a wider range of devices. Google Gemini Live represents a paradigm shift in how we interact with AI. The integration of live video and screen sharing opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine a future where you can get real-time fashion advice from Gemini while trying on clothes or receive step-by-step cooking instructions as you prepare a meal. The educational potential is immense as well. Students can use Gemini Live to get instant answers to their questions while studying or even take virtual field trips. The ability to interact with AI in such a dynamic and visual way has the potential to revolutionize how we learn and explore. As Google continues to develop and refine Gemini Live, we can expect even more innovative features and use cases to emerge. This technology has the potential to fundamentally change how we interact with our devices and the world around us. From simplifying everyday tasks to unlocking new realms of learning and exploration, the future of AI interaction is bright, intuitive, and incredibly exciting.